Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use this very important tool to insert eyelets. So this is a two-in-one. You can use it to put snap buttons and also eyelets. So I have these dies for the eyelets, this one and the other one here. Then the ones that are already here for the snap buttons, I'm just going to remove them because I don't need them in this tutorial. So I'm going to insert the ones for the eyelets because in this tutorial we're inserting the eyelets. So in my next tutorial I'll show you guys how to use it for the snap button. So make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm just going to screw them easily. It's very simple, guys. Then I'm going to get my piece of fabric. So I've already punched a hole in my piece of fabric using my hole punch. So that's the hole. Then I'm going to get my eyelets. Then I'm going to insert the eyelets right in this hole. Then after inserting the eyelets, and these are my eyelets that I'm using, I'm going to insert them in here. So this is the right side, as you can see. Then we have the other wrong side, which is not, this is the wrong side. So I want this wrong side to look beautiful like the right side and make sure it doesn't fall off. So I'm just going to put my punch tool. Then I'm going to punch with my hand. I'm just going to snap it. I'm just going to punch by bringing these two together. Then once that is done, we have our beautiful eyelet installed. Look at how beautiful it looks both from the right side and the other side.